but still my heart, the moment I laid eyes on it.
Hi guys, welcome back to Summer Rain channel. Last month, we had a virtual Panagbenga Festival that was participated by yours truly and more or less 200 other participants from the different parts of the globe. And looking back on that day, we're gonna bring you the unboxing we had with our festival kit, plus one of the participants, a Lebanese professor and writer, will help us with her candid opinion on what's inside the festival box and her experience during the virtual festival. By the way guys, the Fiesta Filipinas is a series of online events introducing and showcasing our Philippine festivals, cultures, and traditions, like this Panagbenga Festival in Baguio City. Because of the COVID pandemic, live festivals are not allowed. That's why it was presented and celebrated virtually and proudly brought to us by the Department of Foreign Affairs in collaboration with the National Commission Culture and Arts and the Department of Tourism. Kayang laman ito guys, what do you think? So we will be unboxing this Panagbenga Festival kit. We have here our packs of crispy fruits, a guilt-free healthy snack made from 100% real local fruits, all natural and fresh. One with banana, mango, sweet potato, and the other one is purple yam, banana, and coconut. Next, we have in a native packing is a Benguet bourbon coffee, also known as Benguet Arabica. It is a single origin coffee varietal grown in the Cordillera Highlands of the northern Philippines since the 19th century. It is one of the main crops in the province of Benguet, which has a climate highly suitable for Arabica cultivation. We also got here is a dark chocolate. Malagos chocolate is a premium chocolate from Davao, Philippines with a distinctive and pronounced taste. These chocolate bars have been garnering awards internationally, including 2019 Heirloom Cacao designation number 16 in the world. Lastly, we have here is a Capiz refrigerator magnet. From the waters of the Philippine seas, this shells is the most versatile material used in Spanish colonization and is one of the most distinct and beautiful architectural detail of old Philippine buildings. So this will be parang ilalagay siya. And now we are glad to have with us today Dr. Hanan Shaar, a Lebanese professor and writer. She will be helping us with her honest opinions on the festival kit and her experience during the virtual festival last month.
I like food. Okay. This is the best one. I like it because it's a mixed fruit, potato, sweet potato with banana. When mango is the appearance of mango is very good. Sweet, very sweet and delicious. I can eat it by 1 minute. Also, this one is not usual for me. I didn't eat like this before because with purple yam, this is different. I taste it for the first time, this one, and I thought the taste is good. This is the first time I taste the purple yam. Also, you can change and taste it, and also it's delicious because the taste of purple yam is new for me. I like it, and with coconut is usual for us. It's good. Also, this is the crispy things, which is a petit déjeuner, small kind of food for afternoon. And we have the best one, is the chocolate, dark chocolate. It's good for heart, good for health because it's dark. Doctors tell you to eat piece of dark chocolate at each day, and it's natural, no additions for it. I like it. Also, my nephew like it because they sharing me the chocolate. I like to share everything. This is the dark chocolate, which is Philippine 100%. Natural. Not a lot of calorie in it. Delicious. Very delicious. This is the Malago chocolate. Very delicious.
We call it cacao in the Philippines.
Cacao is good for health. The black one.
Yeah, because it's very natural.
Natural without
And-
additions. Everything without additions is good. And Philippine is very good to do a dark chocolate in this natural way, because it's lovely, delicious and healthy. 3 in 1. I like everything. I take it from
the festival
the
back.
festival.
How about the coffee? Have
Filipino.
you tried the coffee?
Let's make experience for this. This one, like this, I throw it. Boil water. This one. Okay. This is like this.
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
You thought like this? Okay. We will wait. Okay?
Yeah.
You can imagine that it's straight now. Let's taste. It need some. It's not heavy. It's light
Yeah, it's light.
but delicious. It's good for stomach, not to be heavy. It's light and it's good.
Like
Taste.
I tell you, it's like a tea.
Yeah, I thought it's like a tea. Let's see again. Coffee with tea. Both. I thought there is two tastes. I taste coffee and tea with each other. Both taste of tea and coffee. If you drink it, you drink both tea and coffee.
That's very honest opinion.
It's good, but it's good. Near to American coffee, near to sometimes to tea. Between American and tea. Not like tea, 100%. No, it's have taste of American coffee also. The both. The colors of the dressing there, it's very beautiful. Color of the spring, green with orange, with
Yeah.
yellow. It's very, very beautiful. The colors I saw there in the festival and the roses, like a festival of roses. It's very beautiful. I like the roses very much. And the roses, we put it like and working on it, and a lot of people give new designs in roses. It's very beautiful also. I like it. The first time I go online with people from all the world. It's a festival full of people from all the world. Japan, China, Philippines, Emirates, India. I love this because I am a part of the world.
Yeah, I think more than 200 participants.
I'm the only Lebanese person were attending the.
Yes, so happy.
This make me happy because I'm a part of the world. This is very make me very pleasant.
If Madam Ambassador is alive now, she will be happy seeing you with the festival that we just attended.
Last time she told me, Hanan, you are one of us, and this make me happy. And I'm proud to be part of any festival for Philippines. Thank you for your invitation to be part of your festival.
Guys, this is the first time I've tasted it. I save it really for this occasion. I did not even try to open it. Dr. Hanan opened it.
I
So
made
will-
the experiment.
Yeah.
But it's delicious. I swear it's very delicious.
It's a mixture. I thought.
Mixture, yes. Not delicious one is sweet potato in it. It's a sweet potato with mango with banana. Three,
All together.
yeah. The mixing is different.
Yeah, it's different.
Yeah, and this purple yam.
So guys, that was all for today's episode. If you're new here, please subscribe to Samurai channel and follow us on our Facebook page, Samurai channel. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, stay connected, stay
Shoot,
safe,
you will.
and God bless us all.